morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung with Allendale's Wake Up Call. It is Monday, June 27th, and starting the day off with a little bit of support after a very negative open there last night on the grain side of things. You got wheat and beans that are both in the green as of this morning, with corn still holding that negative tilt to it. And a lot of it due to the fact that we did see some more than expected rains in a lot of key pivotal areas, especially as we go into this July timeframe, looking at it potentially hot and dry, but continuing to see some rain in the forecast, continuing to see it on a little bit of a cooler bias, really hurting that narrative and really making it difficult to keep any kind of premium on this market from a weather supply side of things. So we will be continuing to watch these weather maps, seeing what they do, and if they do start to get more hot and dry, and we do confirm that long-term bias, especially as we go into key pollination time frame. But that is something we'll be watching. We'll have weather maps coming out that come up between 11 a.m. Central Time and 12 p.m. Central Time. So keep an eye on those as they are released and what kind of market reaction we do see out of those. On the other side of things, we're going to be watching livestock open this morning, whether or not we see an agreement and movement with the cattle on feed report, or if you see more of that cattle on fade type of mentality as we open this day session up. And we've had the whole weekend to digest those numbers. On the macro side of things, we did see the Dow touch both sides of unchanged last night. A lot of focus is on what's going on with that G7 summits, how US, EU are looking at teaming up to uh, fight Russia and start to build in some funding, start to work towards some of these smaller nations and start to build infrastructure, get investment going in those areas. So we'll continue to see what kind of headlines are coming out in those regards, what kind of headlines are coming out between Russia, Ukraine, China, and further partnerships between the EU and the US. So keep an eye on headlines, keep an eye on weather maps at noon. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call at 800 2 Market. That's 800 262 7538. You guys have a great one.